Hey, this is a super short video for my New Orleans Vanity thrift rescue. So I started off by taking off the veneer. It came off really easy. I just used a cheap scraper from Home Depot and just slid right off. Alright, I got all the veneer off. Now I'm just sanding down the remaining glue just so the paint goes on well. Here I'm using some wood filler Bondo from Home Depot, about 12 bucks, to fill in all the gaps. There was a weird space in the front, some screw holes, and things like that. Went on pretty well. It's a little messy, but we got it done. Alright, so I'm ready for my first coat of paint. This is Americana Decor Keepsake. My wife really liked it, so that's what we went with. On top of that, I ended up using Treasure. You'll see that a little later in the video. I really liked the way the color came out. It was vibrant. It went on well, but that's how chalk paints do. It turned out pretty good. Alright, here's where I'm using the Treasure just to kind of blend and distress the piece. I put it on, sprayed it down with some regular water, not warm water or anything crazy. And it just really made a cool effect and it dried nice. Alright, so now it's the next day. You see the paint's blended pretty well. It looks really cool. I used some red chalk paint I got from Hobby Lobby. It's just a little sample size bottle, so I didn't need much just to do the little accents on the piece. I used the putty knife to put it on there, just straight paint on the piece. Afterwards, I'm going to spray it with some water, and you'll see that there is such thing as too much water. And bam, it's starting to run. And now it looks like a murder scene. So I decided that since it was the side facing the wall, it really didn't matter and I could learn from my mistakes on the other side. I used about the same amount of paint and went a little more natural with the design, using the ridges from the paintbrush to really bring out some of the accents on the piece. And I'll use a lot less water this time. This side really came out a lot better than the other. Less is more, apparently. It wasn't supposed to be a main focal point, just a little touch. I went around to the front and started there because that was the part that most people were going to see. Put it on all the edges, tried to just make it look like the red was peeking up from underneath the blue and green. So I went ahead with the second color. It was going to be yellow. I went about it the same way as the first, except, of course, I learned from my mistakes. Light touch, just use the water to kind of smooth it out. And I put it kind of overlapping the red a little, just to add a little bit more detail. And now we're drilling holes for the hardware that we got from Hobby Lobby as well. Got a sweet deal on them, and they really matched the piece. I was really excited when they finally fit. I had to drill the hole like 4 times. Each time going up a size in a bit. I didn't record the waxing part, but this is the before and after of the dark wax. We painted the inside gold, which didn't really show up on camera, so I didn't post it. And this is the finished piece where it goes. Let me know what you think about the piece. There'll probably be another video when I install the sink, but let me know what you think about it so far. Leave a comment, a like, and thank you so much for watching. Take care.